Hey there, today I have an Amazon Prime wardrobe boxing for you. Well, if you haven't heard of it, Amazon Prime Wardrobe is a new service that is offered to Amazon Prime customers by invitation only. So I just received an email last month and I decided to give it a try. Okay, so the way it works, it's a try before you buy service. So it's not like Stitch Fix where you have a personal stylist select items for you. You actually pick the items yourself. So you fill your box, you try it at home, and then you get to check out and return. It says the key benefits are you get to try before you buy, so you don't have to pay for anything until you actually check out, which is nice. You only can choose from the Prime wardrobe items, so it's not like you can pick anything from the entire website. It's just whatever is indicated as Prime wardrobe. And right now they're offering a 20% off if you spend $200. So I'm gonna go ahead, open up this big heavy box, well, with items I chose, and see what I got. Okay, so I finally got this box open. Let's just turn it around and show you what it looks like inside. So it's just a big shipment of Amazon stuff. Okay, so here it is. It says Prime Wardrobe, try before you buy. And it has a return label. And it also has all the items that I selected and their prices. So here are all my items, and they're all, of course, wrapped in plastic. So I got 4 dresses, a top, 2 t-shirts, a denim jacket, and a pair of capris skinnies. I'm gonna try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so I went ahead and tried everything on, and I'm kind of gonna go over all of the items that I got, and I'll put a try on the side. So the first item was this dress, and it's actually very cute. It's by Ella Moon, which is one of Amazon's own brands, so you can't buy it anywhere else. And it is a nice dress. It has like its own slip that's attached with a plastic loop, which, you know, to be honest, it's a really cute dress, but I struggled in putting this on. I have a hard time with these dresses that have a built-in slip. I think it'd just be better if I guess you could just separate it and then just put on the slip and then put on the dress, but yeah, this was a challenge for me. But it is a very pretty dress, and it is 100% rayon, and I'm pretty sure the slip is polyester. It says it's machine wash, and it's $49.50. So that's not a bad price, and I think the quality seems pretty good with this dress. So I'm definitely considering it. I did like it, but I just didn't like that slip. Okay, next was this white floral dress, and it has a very pretty, almost like a cherry blossom print, and I do like that. It was a little thin. The material to me actually feels kind of cheap. And it does have a built-in slip, but just on the bottom portion. But yeah, this dress is by Vera Moda, which I've never heard of that brand. I mean, if you've heard of it, let me know. It's $65, so it's actually more expensive than the Ella Moon dress. And it's 100% viscose, and it's machine wash. But I mean, it is a pretty dress. Oh, and it does have like a little tie belt and short sleeves, and it has a button closure in the back. But yeah, I didn't really like this dress. I thought it was pretty, but the material for me just felt a little thin and a little cheap. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be sending this one back. And then FYI, I'll put all the information on the items that I got in my box down in the description box below, along with links in case you wanna check it out. Okay, next was another dress. This was by Sandra Darren. I don't think that's an Amazon brand, but I've never heard of that brand. And it's a extended shoulder scuba crepe fit and flare dress, and it's $50.50. And these are all, they're Prime Wardrobe, but they're also Prime. So if you don't have Prime Wardrobe, you can still buy it off of Amazon Prime. I like the design. It's actually very nice. It's very professional looking, so definitely like a work dress. And I like how it has kind of a border on the bottom. But to be honest, the material was it's very thick and scratchy. Even though it is nice, and I do feel it's high quality, the material I didn't really care for. But this is 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it has a zipper in the back, and it's hand wash. But I like the style, and I think this type of scuba fit and flare dress is actually very flattering. But yeah, it's just too bad the material is so scratchy. Okay, next was another dress This is the last of the dresses. And actually this was my favorite. So this is a very pretty, kind of like a watercolor print with a flutter sleeve. It's by the brand Sangria, which I haven't heard of. It's the V-neck floral print flutter sleeve fit and flare dress. It's 100% polyester. Oh, this one says dry clean only. But I think you could probably just hand wash it or wash it in cold and just hang it. But it does say dry clean only. And this one, actually the price online says it's $79, but I know I got it for less. So let's see, I got it for $31.89. So that's a huge difference. That's less than 50% off. I noticed with Amazon, I had put some things in my cart and then sometimes they would just disappear. I think because they were sold out. And also sometimes the price would change. So it seems like with Amazon, their prices kind of fluctuate, and it also depends on what size. Sometimes you can't see the price until you choose what size you're gonna buy, and then you get the price. But yeah, I actually really like this dress. Okay, next was a top, and this was also by the brand Ella Moon, which again was one of Amazon's own brands. And I actually really like this. I thought this was pretty. It's the Abbey Flutter Sleeve Empire Top. And the price here, it says it's $41.22, but I know when I got it, it was cheaper. My price was $23.77. But this top is 100% rayon. It says machine wash. It's a vintage-inspired all-over pattern, highlights this relaxed fit top featuring an empire waistline and shorter flutter sleeves. If you like Anthropologie, check out Ella Moon's collection. Oh, so Ella Moon is their Amazon answer to Anthropologie. But anyway, yeah, I really like this, and I think at whatever, what did I say, $23? It's a keeper. So yeah, I got that. Okay, I also, just because I was curious, I tried these pull-on stretch denim capri. They're kind of like jeans, but they're pull-on. So they don't have like a zipper or anything. But this is by Ruby Road. It's the petite pull-on extra stretch denim cropped capri. And I got the size 6 petite, and it's $48. And this is 54% Ramy, 33% cotton, 11% polyester, 2% spandex, and it's machine wash. It has this slimming contour waistband, but to be honest, this was really hard to put on. I struggled getting this over my hips. I like the idea of this, but I don't know, I'm just kind of on the fence. And this is $48, which isn't a bad price. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of, Next, I've been looking for another denim jacket. You know, I have my favorite denim, my only denim jacket from Cut from the Cloth, and that's like a dark wash. So I was thinking maybe I'd try to get a light wash denim jacket. So this one is by Vera Moda, and it is, I think I got a size medium, and it's $75. And you know what's weird? When I put this first in my cart, my Amazon Prime wardrobe cart, it was only like less than $50, but then it went up to $75, which I wasn't too happy about. But anyway, it's $75, which is, you know, that's about what a denim jacket, a nice denim jacket would cost. It's really stretchy. I like the material a lot, actually. And it's very distressed, and I like the wash on this. Sleeves are a little long, but of course you just roll it up. Yeah, so it's 54% cotton, 22% polyester, 14% lyocell, 9% viscose, 1% elastane. Sure got a lot of stuff in it. But whatever it is a very nice jacket and a nice weight. So I'm really thinking about it. I might, if I don't buy it with this time, I might just send it back and just have it on my wish list or keep it in my cart or something. So if the price goes down, I'll buy it then. But we'll see. Okay, lastly, I got a pair of t-shirts. So this was a 2-pack, and it's by the brand Daily Ritual, which I never heard of. And it's a jersey short sleeve scoop neck swing t-shirt. And there was like a striped one and a white one. And there's a whole lot of different options. But yeah, actually I really like this t-shirt. So the 2-pack was $25, and these are 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and they are machine washable. And it says, this 2-pack of easygoing short sleeve tees combines a scoop neck with a swingy silhouette. I like a swingy silhouette. In 2 essential colors, Luxe jersey, perfectly rich, smooth fabric that drapes beautifully. So I definitely think I'm gonna keep this. I really like t-shirts. And I like swingy t-shirts that are big and, you know. Okay, that's it. Machine wash cold, dry clean, dry flat. So you have to dry them flat. It's not bad. Where are they made? Oh, here it is. These are made in Vietnam, by the way. But I really do like these. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these. Okay, so yeah, that was everything I got in my first ever Amazon Prime wardrobe box. And wow, I really like this. I think this is such a cool idea, and we shop a lot on Amazon anyway, but I've never really actually bought clothes from Amazon. I have friends who actually swear by it because it's free shipping, and usually I think it's free returns too, right? But this is even better because you don't have to pay for it up front. So I thought this was actually a really nice service. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I wanna keep. Let me know what you thought of the clothes. And I guess what I'll end up doing is actually having to box everything back up and take it to the UPS when I'm done. Okay, anyway, so that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos. So I have a Stitch Fix coming soon. So I also do some shopping hauls whenever I buy stuff, which is kind of often. But anyway, if you like those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye now.